Okay. So, Tyrone, if you go back in time, what advice would you give to the 25-year-old you starting out perhaps with property investment?
So I guess along the lines of what Harry said, do the opposite of, well, my advice, my strategies tended to be do the opposite of what everyone else is doing to make money. So definitely don't follow the crowd. Like when I see in the newspapers for months that, oh my God, properties are going over, 20% over reserve and stuff like that, I'm just, I'll just wait, thanks. So sometimes the best advice would be to do nothing in investing, if you ask me. Sit back and wait. It is a myth, this myth of it's time in the market. It's time in the market. All the successful people I've ever met in my life, sit back, wait for bad times, pounce with money. So cash is king.
And that's a very interesting philosophy because it's quite the opposite of what so many people preach. So many people say it's not time in the market, it's time in the market.
The real money.
Actually, it's both probably.
Absolutely. The real money that I've seen, the huge wealth, like the richest people in Australia, they're not sitting there going, I want to buy a bank share with a 6% dividend. They're waiting for a property fund to go broke and then say, bang, we'll buy it, thanks. They are. That's with cash. And I've seen it many times. So that is my strategy. But to be sit back, do nothing, wait. Because, following the crowd is not an ideal investment strategy.
In 2023 and 2024, have been seeing a lot of people piling into the Perth market. Very much doing what you're suggesting people shouldn't do, competing crazily for property. Properties are selling within days of being listed, well above the listing price, not doing the usual due diligence, building and pest inspection. Seems like people are stampeding as part of a herd, setting themselves up for problems down the track.
So nothing really dramatically changed 5 years ago. That market was still sitting there for a long time dormant, wasn't it, right? Why weren't people buying then? Like that was when you should have been buying, not now when everyone's saying, oh, Perth's, got to catch up. So yeah, that's an interesting market over there. I don't know that market that well, but I've started reading some other buyers agencies saying, yeah, you've missed the boat already on this Perth market. So time will tell.
Yeah, I think so.